In this session, we will learn how to take circumference measurements. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the circumference measurement, list the types of circumference measurement and describe how to take the circumference measurement.
Accurate body measurements mark the beginning to the making of well-fitted garments. Circumference measurements are vital in selecting a pattern size. Most ready-to-wear clothing sizes as well as pattern size selection for women is based on circumferential bust, waist, abdomen and hip measurements. High bust is the circumference at the crook of the armpits, about 2 inches above the bust. Full bust is the circumference at the widest part of the bust. Natural waist is the circumference at the narrowest part of the waist. Hips is the circumference at the widest part of the hips, usually about 7 inches below the natural waist. Before learning about the types of circumference measurement, let us understand why measurements are used. Measurements are used for correct fitting, to make a record of body proportions, to devise the calculations of body proportions with each other, to do alterations effectively, to calculate the fabric requirements, to prepare size chart or standard measurement chart, to identify the size proportions and difference from each other. Girth is the most important measurement when determining size on garments. Head girth. The head girth measurement is a measure of the circumference around the head at the level immediately above the brow. Neck girth is a measure of the circumference around the neck at the level above the Adam's apple. Forearm girth. The measurement is taken around upper third of forearm and it is the maximal girth of the forearm. The chest girth measurement is a measure of the circumference of the chest at the level of the sternum. Thigh girth should be measured around the widest part of the thigh. This measurement is very useful to construct the garments like shorts. When measuring the circumference of different body parts, keep the tape measure level and parallel to the ground rather than slanting. Let us perform a task to check your understanding. To do the task, you need measuring tape, dress form, paper or notebook, and pencil or pen. The task is to take circumference measurements. Measure across the bust points and back. Measure around the waist. Mark 3 inches below the waistline and measure around the marked portion using a measuring tape. Measure widest area with tape parallel to the floor. Pin to mark hip level at center front, which is referred as X in the shown figure.
We have reached the end of this session on Take circumference measurements. By now, you should be able to know the circumference measurement, list the types of circumference measurement and describe how to take the circumference measurement.